wig that I'm rocking in today's video is from Arabella Hair. Now this is their Ombre Platinum Blonde Balayage Highlights, and the lace on this wig is 13 by 6. So this is a lot of parting room. This is also a lace frontal glueless wig. And I'm going to list all the info in the description bar down below. Like, taking that hairline, that lace looks amazing. It's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, and the lace is already pre-cut. Now let's just get into everything that is included in the packaging. So we also have a hair clip and a melting band, which is a must for melting down your wig, edge brush as well. And also the wig does come with combs on the side, but I never use the combs, so I always remove the combs from the side because they're not necessary for me. And I find that this wig mesh cap it's super stretchy, so I think it's perfect for any head size. And it also has the drawstring method on it as well. So this is what the drawstring, how it looks, and it's just super easy to use and install your wig. So now I'm going to cut the combs off the side. All right, so let's get into the wig. I'm going to go ahead and pop this wig on my head. As you can see, the wig cap is already on, so I'm going to go ahead and just pop this on, and it has a drawstring in the back, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull that drawstring. I'm just going to turn around just so you guys can see it. So this is how she's looking. I know it's not exactly sitting properly. It's a bit low, so I'm gonna have to pull that up, but it looks pretty good. The hairline looks really nice. And then we are going to make sure that this part is not covering the ear because this is a pre-cut lace. It's already cut for you. Okay, so this is how it is looking. As for the part, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of fix that up a little bit because it's not exactly quite centered. And I'm also going to try this wig in a side part and a center part as well. When it comes to highlight wigs, I really love doing like a side part, like, okay. And it looks pretty good. Just want to make sure that everything is nice and even before I put down my tape. So I'm going to add some tapes to the sides, and then I'm going to go in with a melting spray just to melt that down. This is the tape that it comes with. Okay, so this is what the tape looks like, and I'm going to apply that to the lace and then pull it down. Now for the tape, you want to make sure you peel off the white part. So on this side it's blue and then the other side is white, so I'm going to peel off the white side like so. Okay, and I'm going to put this right here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and peel this part off. It can be a little tricky when you have long nails. There you go. There you go. So it's supposed to look something like that. And then what I'm going to do is put the ear tab down like so. Okay, so that looks really good. Now what I'm going to do with this lace is I'm going to go ahead and melt it down, and I'm going to use the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray just to melt the lace into the skin. And that's pretty much it for this install. So I'm just gonna apply some melting spray right on the tip of the lace. Now I'm just using my finger to apply that melting spray, tapping it into the lace. Once I'm done that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my melting band. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes and I will be right back. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just create a side part, a deep one. And in order to create the side part, I do need to add some wax to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wax stick. And I love that this wig is versatile enough that I can wear a center part or a side part. And I'm just going to go in with that hot comb just to style the hair, and then I'm going to cut some baby hair. I'm going to go in with the lightest concealer shade, and I'm going to go ahead and just kind of hide that wig cap because you can kind of see my wig cap poking through. If I did the ball cap method, I wouldn't have to do this. And then for my lace, I like to use like a darker shade. You don't have to use this exact palette. This palette is really expensive. I bought it literally for my actual makeup. The shades are a little bit off for my skin tone. End up keeping the palette. So anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tint that lace using the darker shade. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my little curling iron. Well, it's like a little flat iron, and I use just to create the baby hair, and then I'm gonna go in with the edge brush and just create a little swoop. I don't really like a whole lot of baby hairs. And then I'm gonna go in with a curling iron just to recurl the hair And I'm gonna hold the curling iron to the curls for about like 12 seconds and then I let it go. And this is pretty much the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope it was helpful to you guys. I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.